For this project, you will need a tin can, a silicone mold, some clay, and a print from your computer or any image on a napkin or tissue paper of your choosing. There are other supplies that you will see during this video, and I will list them in the description box below. To get started, I open the bottom of the coffee can, and then I take it and smash it as flat as possible so that it's flat on the bottom, and leave the top open for the floral arrangement that I'll put in later. I'm painting the can a white base coat, and then you'll see I finish off camera in the color cashew. I used my mold to make clay castings to frame the picture on the front of the pocket posy. And then I used my knife to clean up the edges. I marked the image with a pencil to plan the shape and size. Instead of using scissors, I like to use a paintbrush with water to soften the paper where I want to tear it. I find this gives a smoother finish to decoupage. And now it's time to use some Mod Podge. I applied a layer of Mod Podge to the can, and then placed the image and applied another layer on top to seal it, making sure to use enough product for good coverage. I used a piece of twine, a few wooden beads, and some embellishments to make a tassel. And then I attached it through the inside of the can. I planned out the frame around the image with the clay castings, and then I attached the pieces with Gorilla Glue. Now I'm painting the frame to match the rest of the can. I probably should have painted the castings before gluing because it took way longer with having to paint all the little grooves while avoiding getting paint on the image. I applied distressing to the frame with a foam brush to add an aged look. To add to the vintage look, I added a touch of metallic gold paint to the frame. I distressed the can with antiquing wax and then added more paint to blend the colors. Then I went over it again with a smaller amount of wax. To make the frame pop just a bit more, I applied gold gilding wax with my finger. With a sponge, I used a green-blue acrylic paint to add patina to the can. Added small paper roses to add accent to the frame. I made these picks by attaching wooden and burlap roses to skewers. These I made by sticking a skewer into a wooden flower. I placed a styrofoam block into the can to support the flowers. Unfortunately, I was blocking the camera and you can barely see me making the floral arrangement. I used wired jute twine to make a hanger on the back and secured it with hot glue. And here's the final result. I just love this so much, and I hope you do too. Please like, comment, and subscribe.